Hey guys, pretty excited. Big news. Working with STRAIGHTLINE Performance, and now we get to add a bunch of accessories. Just got them today. Let me show you what I got. So this is what we're starting out with. We got ceramic coated Y pipe and a full clutch kit for the 850. Yeah. Now, since I'm running the high flow Y pipe, which is supposed to add roughly 5 horse, according to STRAIGHTLINE Performance, is dyno tested and field tested, which I really like about them. But with the extra power, we may have to add a little bit of weight. Okay, first thing to put the Y pipe on is we got to take off the side panel and the hood. So we'll take off the side panel first, and then we'll take off the hood. If you're new to these Gen 4s, I hope you know how to open the side panel because your oil's behind it. But you do that. Just back it up a hair, slide it up. Do it with one hand. Booyah! Take out these 2 bolts. Snaps in the bottom here. Take off this lid. And then we should be able to pull out the gauge cluster, get the top bolts, get the side bolts, the air box, take off the other side panel, get those 2 bolts, and the hood should come out. Next, we'll take out these 2 bolts. See that little Phillips right there? Right there. We need to take that off. Now, we just give it a good old tug. Should come off. Watch out for these here. All right, and just like the power of editing, hood's off. Now, I did everything right, but make sure you tighten this or loosen this guy up a good amount. I mean, it is rubber and it sucks on there pretty good. So now we're in here. We got to take off the Y pipe, S pipe, and then the Y pipe. Now, I am already running a STRAIGHTLINE Performance silencer. So I have ran their products way before this, and I love them. This can sounds awesome. It's not too loud. Very little drone, and held up great. So yours may be a little different. If you have the stock can or another aftermarket can, there's a heat shield here. On the SPI, you don't have to run it. So next, take off the springs for the S pipe. Baba booey. Now I got easy access to the S pipe. Y pipe! 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Hard to see under here, but if we look at the new one, it sits in there just like this. So if you look at it straight down, got those 4 bolts. It's out. 8 bolts. You might want to heat them up because it looks like they put red Loctite on here. And we will also be putting Loctite when we put them back in because I don't want them rattling out and leaking. So now we get to compare old to the new. Get out of here, twos. Alright. At first glance, not much different. But this is just a little bit smaller than the high performance one. Now, the big thing is this big divot down the middle. But this is completely smooth. And you look at this has a little bit tighter Y, and this is more straight. So the hope is more power. You also need to reuse your exhaust donut that goes on the new one. And who's curious what it looks like inside here with no S pipe or Y pipe, there it is. Yeah. Hey guys, it's another day. Had to get exhaust gaskets. Ollie Service in Alexandria got me those, so now we can pick up where we left off and bolt the Y pipe on. So let's start with that. All right, so I got all these snug down. Now you gotta grab your torque wrench and you just want to torque them down. So like click, And gotta come over here, get this one in there. Yeah. Alright, that one's in there, and then you just click, and you do that for all of them, and it's done. Then we get to put the S-pipe back on. Go do it. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys. Y-pipe is in, sleds all together, and yes, it's parked on the grass, and yes, I did drive it on the grass. So, the Y-pipe's in, working on that. Y-pipe's in, so that's plus. I already got the clutch kit done, but that's for another video. And so far, so good. Sled rips. I said I don't know what my peak RPM is because it's really hard to tell because I can't just pull the wide open for a stretch and get an idea. So we'll have to maybe dig down in the primary. So yeah, so that's how you install a Y-pipe on an 850 ETEC. So let me know what you guys think. Check out STRAIGHTLINE Performance Inc. on Google or whatever the hell you use. And check them out on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. And let them know I sent you. I said you should. I'm going to probably put my code in here for 15% off through STRAIGHTLINE Performance. So thank you. Have a good one.